Assalamu alaikum guys, once again welcome back to YouTube channel. This is me Yasir sir.
And this is me, Muhammad Zaid.
So guys, we are gonna motivate you all. We are gonna tell you about such a diamond thing. We are gonna tell you about accent, pronunciation, regarding also speaking. This lecture, this communication will be regarding your you can say encouragement, guys. Okay, we are gonna tell you that how can improve your accent, because everybody wants to speak English like American people, like British people, because accent is such a great impression for our society and for ourselves, guys. So today, just we will communicate here. For suppose he is non-native and he belongs to Pakistan country, and even he doesn't know about the accent. So don't worry, I will give him just hints. I will just give him some hints. Then you will see him. Then you will see his result. Then you will see his changing. How is he gonna be changed, guys? Okay, Mr. Zaid. First of all, are you worried in the accent?
Yes, I am very, very in accent because I cannot speak English language very well just because of accent. I wanna speak English like a British person, American person, but I cannot speak English language.
Okay, means do you wanna change a great accent?
Yes, sir, of
Do you want to
course.
speak English with the accent?
Yes, sir, of course.
Do you want to speak English British accent and American accent?
British.
British. Okay, very good. I will just give you some hints. I will just first of all, you're the Pakistani. Even you don't know about the TPK. Just you will describe the TPK, and just then I will tell you that how to utilize, how to pronounce these letters. Then I will ask you that are you changing or not? Have you got something change or not? Okay, I'm gonna, if you want to improve your accent, also this is a lecture for audience. Just we are doing this communication for you all, for your improvement, guys. I'm gonna just give you tell you, if there are 26 letters in English alphabet, you know very well. Okay, out of you can, from some letters, I can give you this, I can talk about some letters like in English we pronounce P, P, K, O, Q, but what have you to do? Just you have to change these letters: T,
T,
K,
K,
O,
L,
P,
G,
Q,
Q,
T,
T,
O,
L,
P,
T,
Q.
Q.
Now say tiger,
Tiger,
clear,
clear,
talk,
top,
queen.
queen.
Are you changing now?
Yes, sir.
No, just what has he done, guys? Just he has done the just sound. Just he changed the letters. Okay, if you want to utilize the British accent, just what have you to do? Just you have to silence the R in the final position, guy. How? First of all, if I say tiger, this is not a tiger. This is a tiger. You have to silence the R of ending word. Okay, say tiger.
Tiger,
Clear.
clear,
Car.
car,
Sir.
sir,
Teacher.
teacher.
Okay, are you now feeling something change?
Yes, sir, I'm really feeling great.
Great. Okay, give them some hint, tell them something that how they can practice like this.
So guys. So there are 26 letters alphabet. This is a very amazing tips. That were told by sir. Now what to do? Now you have to practice on these all letters. This you have to say T, P, Q, K. These are very amazing letters. If you wanna speak English language like a British person, American persons, now you have to practice on these all things. Many people think like that. So we have done these all things many times, but we are speaking like that. It means you don't practice all the time. Never think like that, and also never give up. All the time, work hard and keep speaking, and practice these all things.
Okay, guys. So just we wanted to give you this kind of message. If you are if you are confused in this type of accent, in this type of pronunciation, like we have done this kind of demo just because of you, so that you can practice, so that you can utilize communication, so that you can utilize our method here. So try it. If you want to speak English like a British and American people, so try to utilize these sound T, P, K on Q, and silent the R in the final position. And one thing more, try to listen to native speaker, guys. If you listen to native speakers, automatically you will know their method, their structure, each and everything. So guys, thank you so much for watching video. Hope so you have liked video. Allah bless you all. Take care.